Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Verizon, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL www.verizon.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Verizon homepage. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. This will take you to the login page. You will see fields for your username and password. If you already have a Verizon account, enter your username in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure to check for any typing errors. If you would like to stay signed in, check the box for Remember Me. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment as the page processes your login request. If your username and password are correct, you will be directed to your Verizon account dashboard. If there are any errors, follow the prompts to resolve them. Now you are logged in and ready to manage your Verizon services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.